So I will start helping us to how to create our name through some search engine optimization. For instance, Big Day, I think it's in my history. Big, okay, good. Something like this, yeah. So something we can create like this. So this is one. You can see something not carry map. Yes, it usually does not carry map here. But if you pick some other people's brand name, maybe like what other name? I don't know. Any business name, maybe like Salon in Lagos. You can see. So you are directing this SEO is done and directed to a location. Do you understand? So how this is being done, you are going to do it. If you want to put your business name online, like for instance, Teeth Trend Makeover and Salon. You can see I kept Salon in Lagos. Johnny Salon and Spa. Do you understand? Oh, I guess you can hear me now. I don't know, but I hope you can hear me. So and then we have what's it called again? TCP Empire S alone. So it is very important that we know how to do all this stuff. So to do them is very easy. So one thing you need to, the basic thing you need to know is that you need to have a Gmail account, which is very key. So I've signed into my Gmail account right now. These are my Gmail information, my email that comes to me. So all you need to do is to come to your all Google app here and click Google Profile Manager. That's the first step. Second step is to come here, to come to the search bar, Google, Google My Business, my business profile, anyone that you think that is right by you. So automatically, when you click on it, it will load back to this part. So now this part is because you are seeing this part because I have an account before. This one was the last one was not for you clients that were refused to had issues, so I could not get it verified. This one here it talks about if you have search for Big Midday, it will appear with Olumide Ojo. If you have search for Olumide as well, it will appear under Big Midday. So now this is another keyword. Lagos, Nigeria is specific to a location and it's within Lagos, Nigeria. Then this one is like a podcast, which can be which is Nigeria. So you can edit everything to that. Do you understand? So now, because we do not have your own page will be very blank, but let us do a test run for this class. So I'm going to add business. So he's saying add single business or import business. So what does all this does is that if you have a new business, you can create a new one. Or if you have an existing business, you can import them. Information can be the same. So let's say let's add a single business. So now it's asking us question. What is your business profile? Basically, your business name, let's say Midday Midday Teachings. So if there's anyone that is on here before you, see it will appear. So create a business name with Midday Teaching. So what category? Technology. You can use anyone for yourself. This is how this information on this screen on your Google search appear. Technology. Right. Then the next thing is next. Oh, we do not understand your category. Please select. Sorry, let me check. So technology. Oh, okay. Let's pick business. Let's do business. Let's say business center. Or let's say fashion. In case of some of us are into fashion. Fashion, maybe fashion designer or so ever. So next, it's actually very interesting, but something that you need to learn one by one. This one, we have to submit your assignment on Tuesday on this one. My advice for you is that don't use your phone to do this. So if you have a laptop, do it. So now it's asking, do you want to add a location customer can visit your store, your office? So if you want it to be located, maybe like a map that people will get to, use Uber to trace your business or whatsoever. So that's what that does. So let me do a good example of what I mean. So if you search for big media again, you see that there is no address by your right hand side. The reason it was because I off it because I don't want people to come to my house or to my office address. So I click on off. That's why you will not see the map by the right side. So if I click on yes, means that it's going to pick the address that I'm going to put there. So let me pick yes for the sake of this class. Let's press next. So it's asking enter your business address. If you have a business address, Lagos, Nigeria, number one. Yeah, what number of the answer? What number of this estate? Number one. Okay, okay. I think I have someone here. Then what else again? Local government, push of city, postal code. I have one state postal code. Okay, states push of Lagos State. Business. So what this does for is that it gives your business information online. So is this your business? It looks like your business might already have a business profile on Google Map. If your business below, select it and it will help you improve your business profile. So if you want them to assist you in your profiling, you can do that. This is how it's going to appear depending on any of these. Do you understand? So my advice is just click none of the above. Do you get? So there is the same name we use. Somebody else have already used it. It's called Dean of Harmony Ministerial School. They've used it. This is their estate. This person have used it as well. This is their estate as well. So it's not wise to do that. So that of copywriting whatsoever. So do you provide delivery or home service? No. EVS. Kindly confirm. The next thing is what contact details do you want to show to your customer? Do you want to show your phone number? If yes, fill in your phone number. So if you have a website, fine. But at this point, I would advise if you have your social media and that you like very well, maybe IG or TikTok, copy the link and put it here. You understand? Traditional chats can be a text. You put your phone number here again for text. So you can see we are building up our SEO locally right now. So next, also on the internet. Sorry, let me refresh this. I was on the internet. I'm starting from the beginning again. Jesus. Wow, let's see fast. So, Jesus. Internet. So these two people have the same name already, none of them. So do you prepare for delivery service? If you do delivery service, fine. If you do not, no. Press no from your own illustration. So the next thing is to add additional content in terms of phone number, so on and so forth. Yeah, if you have a website or you have a YouTube channel or your Instagram link or your TikTok link, and put it here. It's optional though. So any number that I want them to call you for call, you understand. So let's press next. Oh, sorry. Should go like this. 225 323 253 plus 234 plus 234 original 223. Okay, so first loading. So at this point now, so you have a page yourself. So now at this point, you'll be asked to verify your either they call your text, the phone number that you kept inside, either they verify it. When they verify it, it should go undergo for 2 to 3 of 7 working days. You understand? So for the verify. So what verify does basically is enable you to go live. Without being verified, you might not be able to go out. So let me go back and imagine they've approved our account. So let's quickly go back and edit. So I'm going to open as if they approve our account. I'll open the other one. Okay, so let me open add meta, what's it called? So now this one is permanently closed. So this one was what we were doing before. We were doing now. Let's delete this one, please. Because I'm not using it. Let's delete here. Delete permanently. So let's go back to the one that we have. So for instance, let's look at this. So I want to edit. So you can edit it. Let's go back 1 more minute. I want to show us. So whenever you see any app pencil like this, means that they want to edit. So you click on this. So now you can change everything here. This is another way to edit it. If you remember, there's no about us here. You can put your about us here. your business same category, description. You can edit anything that you want for yourself. So my own, there's no time. What I do in 12 to 12. So contact the person that you need to call. If you want to be chatting, put the icon here, their link. So after that, then website is optional if you want to put website. Social media link too is there. So if you have a social media link on this platform, there's a way when people go on Google to search for your name on LinkedIn or whatsoever, it will pop up. I'm giving you a long time secret that you can use for yourself and make money. Short name, big name, location, blah blah blah. Do you understand? So that is one pattern of editing it. Then the second pattern of editing it is just to click on the name. You can see automatically it open broadly on the Google map. So let's check. If you want to edit file, you can edit file here. If you want to review, you review. If you want to upload photos, you upload photos. If you want to post, post as well. So I'm going to show us how to do post now. Then performance, you can see analysis. You understand? So one by one. So let's go with edit post. It was what we did before. Photo. If you want to add photo, it will load where you want to add photo to. So if you add photos to your Google file, when people search for your name, automatically you have to go to Google and search for those names that you there and bring them out. Do you understand? That's how we were able to get a lot of pictures, photograph online. So I think that's that about that. So the next thing is post. So posting is very simple. Posting does not give stress, but you need to know what you're posting. These are our old posts for 4 years ago, 5 years ago, 6 years ago, and so on and so forth. So let me create a new post. So let's say this description is how to buy rice. How to buy rice. So if you have a picture of the rice, you drag it here. Do you understand? Then if you want it to show schedule to post them, or if you want to post you know, and give it time here, your duration too, it has to be here. That's how it is. So this is for updates. Just like a normal posting online on Twitter, Instagram, public. But if you have an offer to sell, maybe you want to sell a product, same thing goes here. Give you the title, blah blah blah, how to buy rice, start date, end date, which is very important. Based on your budget, yeah, you need to know what everybody can do. Do you understand? So start date and end date. So the next thing is after filling all these parts, if you want to schedule your post, schedule your post. The time and date you want to schedule it. Then if you add any more details, you can add it to it. So that's an offer. The next thing is on events. Maybe you want to run an event program, you understand. So people to come and register. Do you understand? So this is where it is useful in that aspect. So let's move on to another one. We've done post. So performance basically enable you to, I'll give you two scope of performance where how you can take to reach performance, right? So within how many you can see people that 4,048 people view your profile and you break it down. This is what they were looking for before they come across my profile. So they were searching for Olumide, Olumide Oladapo, Adeyeye, Adeogunye, Adeyemina. So these are what people are searching for. And option was coming up for my name. Do you understand? That is overview. So the next thing is how many people were able to call through the line. We have just to call. How many people were able to book? Nobody was able to book. Nobody was able to come on, on websites because I'm not saying anything about that at the moment. Do you understand? So and you can go far as 2023 or any year, start to finish. It's going to give you what you want. Another thing to do that is just come here to see two customer interaction. will give you a similar breakdown. Do you understand? So let's quickly move to advertise. So this is Google Ads. So when we move to Google Ads fully, we are going to talk about how to run Google Ads directly. This is money I've spent, so I don't want to show us that one. So the next one is how to edit products. These are sample of product, e.g. like e-commerce and so on and so forth. So if you want to upload a product, similar to the other one that we did as, so this product basically put the product name, the category, the price, option. And if you have a website that want them to buy, put the link here. It will wrap the website up. Then the next thing is select a photo or a picture. You understand? That's that. Then for booking, if you want to book, you need to set up a booking app so you can quickly add this one to your movement to monitor where you are going to. Then they ask me basically if you know that everything is fine. Do you understand? So please, if you have question regarding this, kindly let me know, please, so that we can easily